I think some other people are actually viewing the unit right now as we speak. So yeah, it's 1,020 square feet. It's an open layout kitchen that they're counting as the bedroom. Counting as the living room / kitchen. With a porch, small porch. All the appliances are brand new. Samsung washing, laundry machine, drying machine. Samsung's literally the best washing machine you could possibly get if you want to have amazing clothes. Super nice. Every part of this apartment building is being renovated. The floors are brand new. Central air. The bathrooms are pretty much they're identical. Mirrors new. Everything. Toilet's brand new. That's huge. Good water pressure. Yeah, there isn't a part of this building that isn't brand new, basically. And it'll be ready for July 1st. Got the Frigidaire brand name refrigerator, one of the best. Slightly better than mine. Then you have the garbage disposal, which would be right here. It'll be working July 1st. Excellent cabinet space. Looks like that is obviously it's a dishwasher, but I think it's Procter & Gamble. Yeah. Procter & Gamble electric stove. Heat source is gas. This is real marble, genuine tile. Whirlpool microwave. And I think this is the best selling point. Samsung washing and drying machine. These are so high end. I would kill to have one of these. Especially in unit for free. These will really make your clothes look nice. Yeah, so it's central air, central heat. It's a gas heating source, which is the cheapest heat source. So I would say it'd probably be around $100, $200 in the wintertime a month for heat. Maybe a little bit less, maybe $150, $125, depending on how much you use. There's a little common area back here. Yeah, and then this is the porch. Yeah, everything's gonna be completely clean before moving. The windows are high enough so no one can break in. High ceilings, recessed lighting. And then this is one bedroom. Could probably fit a king or a queen. Definitely a queen with ease in here, I would say. This is the laundry. This is the closet. This is the other bathroom. And then this is the master bedroom. Bay windows, directly looking out to the street. And you got the closet right here as well. There's a 3-bedroom above and another 3-bedroom above that. The whole entire building's being completely gut renovated.